Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to achieve this look. The first step I'm going to do is apply some eyeshadow base. This is the P. Louise base in the shade number 2, and I'm just going to blend that all over the lid. Next, I'm taking my MAC Deep Dark Bronzer and I'm just going to tap that onto the crease and really blow out that color just to begin that transition shade. Oh, sorry guys, tongue-tied. And then I'm going to take this Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette and taking Off Balance, and I'm going to apply this color into my crease just to add some pink intensity. And then I'm taking this liquid eyeshadow by Milani and applying that onto the lid, but I'm just doing a soft cut crease. This is a really fast and simple look, you guys, I promise. I'm just blending it out with the eyeshadow shader brush. And then for some glitter, I'm taking this one I got from Urban Outfitters, just a paste, and I'm going to tap that all over and finish with some liner and lashes, and voila! The eyes are done. It's that simple. So moving on to face, I'm taking the Bare With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face because it's really been cold out, you guys. My skin has been dry AF. Next, I'm going to take my e.l.f. Booster Drops and a Kylie Loose Highlighter, and I just made my own liquid highlight basically. I believe it's the shade Fiji. I'll have it linked down below. I'm just going to mix that together and apply it on my face as you can see here, and I'm just going to blend it with my fingers. And it's just going to give a nice luminosity to the high points of my face. Next, I'm taking the Bare With Me spray just to prep and refresh the skin before I go in with my face products. I'm going to color correct with Jouer. I'll have all the shade names listed down below, and I'm just going to spot conceal any dark marks and dark circles and blend that out with a brush just to get the most coverage. And you guys, this is going to go really fast. This is probably the fastest tutorial I've ever done. And so once you have that blended out, I'm going in with my NARS and Pat McGrath foundations. I'm mixing the two just because NARS has a bit more coverage and I love the finish of Pat McGrath. So I'm just going to apply that all over and blend it all out with a brush to, again, get the most coverage as possible. For concealer, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 310 as always. And I'm just going to apply that to the highlight areas of my face, so the under eyes, nose, chin, forehead, the usual. And then for contour, I'm taking the Pro Glow by L'Oreal, of course, in the shade 8, and I am going to cream contour. And it's pretty much the same routine I always do, you guys. I've been doing a lot of pink eyeshadow looks lately just because Valentine's Day is coming up, and I feel like this is probably the most easiest glam that you can do for like a date night. So yeah, I'm just going to blend out the contour with a brush, and then for the highlight areas, I'm just going to take my Morphe sponge and blend those areas out. And can we get an amen for how I laid my hair to be straight? Like, I really laid that. I just want, yes, give me my credit. So anyways, guys, you just want to take your time blending everything out, and then I went ahead and used the Glossier Puff Paint and Cloud Paint, or the Cloud Paint and Puff. And just to add some blushy tones to the look and tie in all the pink, I blended that out with the same brush that I used for contour, and look how cute. Ooh, I love it. And so I'm going to set with the Sasha Buttercup. Well, this is actually in the shade Light, you guys. They have Buttercup, and this is Buttercup Light for us light skins. Sometimes it can be too yellow. So I'm just baking, and then as you can see, I'm sweeping off the excess. And since my skin is dry, I just like to take whatever residue is left on the powder brush and I just set the rest of my face. And for bronzer, I'm taking the Kylie bronzer in Almond, and I like to take a fan brush to really define the cheeks, the forehead, and the jaw. Also, don't forget to contour your nose, that is very important. So I just went ahead and cleaned up my contour with some baking powder, and I'm gonna put some blush on. This is Kylie Baddie on the Block blush, and as you can see, it really adds intensity with that liquid blush we laid down earlier. It really helps to make your blush last a lot longer. And also I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone as well as my nose. I'll show the highlight a little later, of which I used. And then you want to go ahead and take a brush and just sweep away all that excess powder. Next, I'm going to drench my face in some setting spray just to bring back some hydration. And as you can see, I applied some liner, mascara, and bottom eyeshadow to finish the eyes off. So this is the highlighter I used a bit earlier. It's Glow Goals by Oprah, and as you can see, it's so beautiful, very skin-like, and it just speaks for itself, you guys. It's just amazing. I love it. And then moving on to lips. Oh, I'm gonna set again just to really melt everything together. And then for lips, I'm taking Cold Brew by NYX. It's a brown lip liner, and I'm just gonna outline my lips kind of lightly. I want to keep them soft. And I'm going to take this liquid lipstick by Koki, as you can see here. It's a very hot pink shade, but I'm going to dab it on the inner portion of my lips and blend it softly. I just want a light wash. I don't want it too pigmented. And then I'm going to top it with some lip oil. And that completes the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this Valentine's date night inspired look. Don't forget to follow my social media. Please like and comment so I know you guys enjoyed this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.